This is Calbag Metals. We operate a chopping line. We run 4 granulators down here. Super noisy, over 100 decibels almost at all times. We've used Sonetics headsets for about 2 years now, and I'll never go back. You'll see in the video that we have some ground guys that are going around and doing some sorting. They're communicating with each other and the crane operator to make sure that there's no thick pieces that are going into our chopper. They're making sure that there's no copper or brass sneaking into there, so that way it contaminates our line.
Hey, watch out for those flying chuzz.
And then I have the forklift operators who are bringing in bales. They're communicating with the line operators, making sure that they are meeting their needs, whether they need pallets, whether they need bags, any kind of equipment that they'll need, they'll be able to bring that to them.
Hey, Daniel, do you have another box?
We used to use handheld radios that would snap onto your chest, try to talk into them, and you just couldn't. Some of the main problems that we would have with the handhelds is that you'd have to scream into the mic to get anybody's attention. The person on the other end has to have it right next to their ear because of how loud it is in our building. With the Sonetics headset, you can do open mic, you can do push to talk. It has noise canceling technology, so that way when you do communicate with your team, there's no miscommunications, there's no added extra stress from talking into the mic and screaming into the mic. From my office, I'm able to communicate any goals that I need to be met. I have communication with anybody on the floor. The vibe of the whole crew comes down because of how unstressful these headsets are. They really do allow us to talk to each other a lot better and communicate everything we need to. Make sure he's probably down here to check to see if we're getting the copper in our aluminum. It makes it super easy for us when we're running the chopping line because we have to wear extra PPE, whether it's hard hats, whether it's safety glasses. You can adjust the straps, you can adjust the connection pieces, you can buy attachments to connect it to your hard hat. Any kind of PPE issues, they're able to solve that. Especially working in a scrap recycling facility like we do, where we're just moving stuff on forklifts, we're baling stuff, we're chopping stuff, and all kinds of just loud noises.